Hello, and welcome to our channel. If you're looking to improve your business English and communicate more effectively in the workplace, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to learn some common business English phrases. To help you remember them, I'll repeat each phrase twice. Let's get started. I'll circle back to you. I'll circle back to you. Would you please say that again? Would you please say that again? What is the deadline for this task? What is the deadline for this task? Who is going to be in charge of this? Who is going to be in charge of this? Is it possible for us to arrange a call to talk? Is it possible for us to arrange a call to talk? I'm eager to collaborate with you. I'm eager to collaborate with you. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. If you have any questions, kindly contact me. In what way can I help you with this? In what way can I help you with this? I value your opinions. I value your opinions. Let us give this task priority. Let us give this task priority. By day's end, I'll send you an update. By day's end, I'll send you an update. Could you elaborate on this further? Could you elaborate on this further? I think that's a fantastic idea, let's investigate it more. I think that's a fantastic idea, let's investigate it more. Are our expectations in line with one another? Are our expectations in line with one another? I'll be in charge of this project. I'll be in charge of this project. Let's make sure that everyone is in agreement. Let's make sure that everyone is in agreement. Could you explain your procedure to me? Could you explain your procedure to me? Let's think of some possible answers. Let's think of some possible answers. Can the deadline be extended? Can the deadline be extended? I'll put up a proposal for approval. I'll put up a proposal for approval. Great job! Remember, practicing these phrases will help you sound more natural and confident in your business communications. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. See you next time as we continue to master business English together. Bye.